Ready to turn your pins into profits? Pinterest is your new business powerhouse. Pinterest isn't just about pretty pics, it's a goldmine for business growth. Let's dive into how you can leverage it for your business. First up, content creation. Pin high-quality images that reflect your brand. This is crucial because Pinterest is a visual platform. Invest in professional photography or use tools like Canva to create stunning visuals. High-quality images attract more engagement. Next, let's talk about SEO. Use keywords in your pin descriptions. Think like your audience. What would they search for? Research popular keywords in your niche and incorporate them naturally into your pin descriptions and board titles. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments and messages promptly. Show them you're more than just a brand. You're a community. Building a community around your brand fosters loyalty and encourages repeat business. Don't forget Pinterest analytics. Track what works and what doesn't. This data is invaluable for refining your strategy. Use the insights from Pinterest analytics to tweak your content and posting schedule. This will help you maximize your reach and engagement. Lastly, be consistent. Post regularly to stay top of mind. Consistency is key to building a strong presence on Pinterest. Create a content calendar to plan your posts in advance. This ensures you always have fresh content to share. Follow these hacks and watch your business grow. Pinterest isn't just a platform, it's a game changer for businesses of all sizes. Whether you're a small business owner or a large corporation, Pinterest can help you reach new audiences and drive sales. So, start pinning today and unlock the full potential of Pinterest for your business. Happy pinning. Remember, the key to success on Pinterest is a combination of high-quality content, strategic SEO, active engagement, and consistent posting.